What is up, guys? Welcome to Crown Rig Auto. I am super excited because today I have a San Francisco police K-9 unit that I'm about to search. And also, guys, thank you for 1 million subscribers. Holy bleep! Never in a million years did I think I would be able to check that off my bucket list. I have you guys to thank for that, so thank you so much. I love every single one of you.
K-9 unit, control! Let's go! Looking for a suspect! Come on, T!
Check it out, guys. I bought a San Francisco police K-9 unit. This is the real deal here, guys. Just a quick update on the Vegas project. All I'm waiting for is the stickers to arrive and the video is complete. So just bear with me just a little bit longer. And let me introduce my sister, Richie Slice.
Hi everyone, I'm Rachie Slice.
Yeah, you gotta do the Richie Slice every time you say her name. She is gonna be my security girl for today. And you guys know Officer Jax Chase. He is also gonna be patrolling the streets of District 76 today.
So FML beware.
It is a 2000 Ford Crown Victoria police interceptor. I got it at a police auction. And I'm super excited because I'm about to search it for goodies, weapons, guns, equipment, and I'm gonna try and find a biscuit. Yes, this thing looks a little rough, but that is exactly what the San Francisco police cars look like. They usually drive these cars well past 200,000 miles and they never keep up with their cosmetic appearances. So this appears to be a Wheel Edge Ultra. But look how short they cut the wires right there. That's going to be almost impossible, the lights, unfortunately. So this car still has the spotlights, which are in excellent condition. Just needs a little cleaning. The tires are in excellent condition, even though it is kind of starting to show a little bit of rust, but that's mostly because of the San Francisco Bay salty water. This is so cool. I can't believe it's mine. Oh man, I feel like a big kid in a candy store. All right, so let's go through the whole car and see what is inside. Let's take a quick look inside. There's a police dog cage. I'm gonna search it from the front and work my way all the way to the back. So this car only has 118,000 miles. Let's start her up. Oh, battery's dead, of course. Oof, this is gonna need some deep cleaning. All right, starts right up. Turn that off. She is running smooth. It's a little bit of rust starting to build up, but I'm gonna get that rust preventer spray here real soon. This looks brand new. Looks like it had some work done just recently. Pull cable. Yeah, you don't see that anymore. And what is this? Remembering Sergeant Daryl Sugimoto. End of watch May 1st, 2006. Well, let's get a moment of silence for Sergeant Daryl Sugimoto. And let's give all the law enforcement, police officers, and first responders out there a thumbs up. They're doing a hell of a job, especially right now during this virus crisis. Let's start by looking over here. This looks like a dog chain. Okay, a Motorola MCS 2000. Oh, and it lights right up. A Streamlight charger and a Touch Master Delta. It is unplugged, but I'm pretty sure you can plug it right back up somehow. This is their Wheelin' Steady Burn red light. There's a law in California that says every police car must have a steady burn red. Sometimes it's built in the light bar, but that is not always the case. Or sometimes they want to have both. There used to be a computer screen right here. That's why they have these brackets for the keyboard holder. I wish they would have left that behind. Don't know what that does. This is a hot and pop IntelliBox. This is my triple shot espresso. And right over here, there is Peerless handcuffs model 500. Okay, let's check the other side. And check this out. ASP handcuffs.
Is she really called Cool Cop?
Yeah, look. So this is an AC delivery system. So the cold air comes out, goes down the tube. Let me demonstrate actually. Maximum AC.
No way.
Delivered right into Chase's mouth. Here you go, Chase. Yeah, that's what it's for.
That is so cool.
Look.
Weird.
Let's get this open. Oh, looks like they removed the glove compartment, and then there's all these wires right here. Then under here we have a Panasonic dash camera. It goes up here, and an actual connection for that is right over here. And then this is the microphone for the MCS 2000. What in the world is this? Camouflage mask full of dog hair. Hey, I got an idea. I found this mask here. I'm about to put it on and see how I want to see how Chase reacts. Well, let's find out. Maybe not. Maybe he knows it's me. Let's find out right now. How do I look, guys? He's not dumb.
He's a good boy.
Let's take a look in the bag. I hope you don't mind I join you, Chase. This looks pretty comfy. It's like they got the mesh window bars. They got this thing that slides, but don't tell Chase that. Cover your ears, Chase. And then, oh, what is that? First alarm system.
Warning. Evacuate. Carbon monoxide. Evacuate.
Ah! These are the exempt plates from the movie car. I just added it for a visual effect. Protect me from the virus. Looks like there's a brand new tire back here. That's a huge plus. Let's look in here. Oh, sweet flares. And in here, there's also a light stick. Let's light one of these up just for the hell of it. Oh, I probably shouldn't be lighting that next to the fuel tanker. Well, it looks like there's dog food, pens and stuff like that. Scissors, shears, doggy clipping thingies, and poopy bags. So when you gotta go, you gotta go. Sharps container. This looks empty, which is good. So I'm gonna switch the light bar really fast. I'll be right back. Check it out. I can't believe this is mine. Yeah. Woo! I'm so excited. Chase. Oh my. Chase, she just wants to be your friend. Jeez.
Until puberty hits, you know what?
Yeah, right. So it turns out that Melvin is not the funny man, and he is not a loyalist, so he's gonna be getting released from jail today. All right, Melvin, here's the bus stop and here's your belongings. The bus comes every 2 hours. I apologize about the misunderstanding. Oh no, Melvin, are you all right? Medic!
This is Captain Sam Savage, home of Richmond, California, where they get savage, and I'm glad that I can manage. Also recording Crown Rick for coming through with all my stuff. Walkie-talkie and everything, I make it rough. And we got the pad quickly to see and all the penal codes so I can arrest who I be. Man, I'm in the streets, and you know, I love my things and everything.
Yeah.